Hey my lovely viewers all over the world, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. In today's video, I'm going to show you this airdrop, okay? This airdrop that a lot of people have been talking about. A lot of people have been asking me to review this airdrop to know whether it's legit or fake, okay? And we are going to show you the reasons whether it's fake or it's real, okay? And always make sure that you join us on our Telegram group where I show you things the way it is. There's a lot of things that I can't show you on our YouTube, but if you join us in our Telegram group, you will join us and you will learn a lot of things, because I drop a lot of updates that will help you grow financially. So welcome to Online Money Hunter. Today's video, we are going to talk about this new airdrop, okay? This new airdrop called Dogly.live, okay? We are going to talk about it, and I'm going to show you the difference between this and the previous ones, okay? The previous ones called Cuddly.io, okay? I'm going to show you the difference, and I'm going to throw my own punch and tell you whether you can, claim this airdrop or not, okay? So follow me from the beginning to the end of this video. Don't skip any part of this video, because what I do here is that anything that is working for me, I will always come here to show you how I'm doing it. So welcome. Let's go, guys. So like we all know that this Cuddly.io have been doing well for months now. This Cuddly.io have been doing well for months now, and um have been talking about Cuddly.io, the tokenomic and everything concerning this Cuddly.io, okay? So we all know everything. The reason why I'm showing you this Cuddly.io is for you to look at it carefully, so that you will understand where I'm going via Dogly.io. If you hear the name Cuddly.io and Dogly.io, I'm going to reveal a lot of secrets that you need to know on this website, okay, on this airdrop. So make sure you watch from beginning to the end. So we log into our Cuddly.io. If you still haven't registered on Cuddly.io, it's very simple. Go to my description, you will see some videos, you will see the link, okay? I will link Cuddly.io and Dogly.io, okay? I'm going to show you the things the way it is. You are the one to make your own choice. So we are at Cuddly.io. So you can see here, if you check my balance here, you know that I have 279.83 USD, which is withdrawable. I can withdraw it anytime I want, okay? So but this is not reason why we are here. So what you are going to do right now is to go, so that you will know whether to claim this airdrop or not. So we click on, you can see the link in my description, okay? We are here in Dogly.io, okay? And this Dogly.io, at the beginning, Dogly airdrop, you can claim 2000 Dogly, and Cuddly, you can claim 500 Cuddly. So this is it, and we are still going down. This is where you can contact them, okay, on their Telegram channel. So once you click on this place, you can contact them. So you can see here, this is the exchange targeted listed. This is where they will list their coin here. Hobby, KuCoin, Get.io, and Flobit. So if you check here, you will notice that this is 4 exchanges that are going to list their coin, okay? This is it. This is the 4. So we are going to read what this token is all about. We are going to read it now. Earn profit easily with Dogly token. Dogly is a unique and exciting memo token that has taken the cryptocurrency world by storm, okay? Inspired by the popular Doge memo, this token has gathered significant attention and a strong community of supporters. At the core, Dogly is built on blockchain. Dogly is built on blockchain. That's what they're saying. Dogly is built on blockchain technology, specifically leveraging the power of the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. It is this centralized nature allows for fast and secure transactions, making it an efficient and user-friendly choice for investors and memo assistants alike. So this is the white paper. Okay, Dogly white paper. You can come here and read this. Dogly features: staking with 5% reward. Staking with 5% reward. Can you hear that? Staking with 5% reward. They are going to give you 5% daily reward. Okay. Once you stake, you can earn 5% daily. So they are make use of buyback also. You can see it here, buyback. And they are also into lottery games. You can see that. You can come here and read it. And this is referral bonus. They are also do referral bonus. You can see it here when you come here. So this is a lottery tokenomic 10 million total supply. You can see it here. Then this is the contract address. You can copy this contract address and go through your own research. Okay. And this is their roadmap. This is phase 1. Phase 1 is foundation and launch, which is they have done. This is it. You can come here and read it. Because of time, I don't want to waste more time on this video. So this is it. Phase 2 is for DEX and yield farming. And phase 3 is synthetic asset and cross-chain integration. And phase 4 is staking and governance. So you can come here and read everything. So I'm going to show you more things. It's similar with Cardly.io. That's my take. It's similar, and another thing is this look like cloned. They cloned this Cardly.io. I think the same company is behind this Dogly, okay? The same Cardly.io company is behind this Dogly. That's my take. Because if you check where, you will notice that almost the same thing. It's just the write-up and everything. Okay? It's almost the same thing. So you can come to this account. Let me show you how to create accounts. Once you use the link on my description, it will take you direct to where to register. Okay? So once you are here, what you are going to do is to create an account. Okay? You create account by putting your username, put your email here, then put your password here. Repeat the password by confirming the password here. Then here you click on here invitation code. You will see my own invitation code here. You click on that. This place you click I'm not a robot, and once you click I'm not a robot, it will look like this. Then you can continue by signing up. So I have signed up already. I'm going to show you more. You click on sign in. So what you are going to do right now is by claiming this 2000 Dogly. Okay, you are going to claim this 2000 by clicking on claim. So we are here. What are we going to do? This is the reason why I said that the company of Cardly is behind this Dogly. You can see the reason, because this is also run on Binance also. You can see that Binance, you can see it. So what are we going to do right now? We are going to enter Binance ID or email. Okay, this is ID or email we use to create this Binance. We need to put it here. So we enter it. So here, the next thing to do is to follow their Telegram. So once you click on this place, you can follow their Telegram channel. So you enter your Telegram account. So after adding it, the next thing is to follow their Twitter by clicking on follow their Twitter. After following their Twitter, you will enter your Twitter account. So the next thing we are going to do after entering our Twitter name is to enter address. Ensure that the address you enter is correct. as it will be the destination address when you make withdrawal. Can you hear that? The same thing with Dogly.io. So I will enter my address, okay, and this address they are saying is your Binance BEP20 address. Binance BEP20 address. So what are we going to do right now is to go to our Binance and collect our BEP20 address. Make sure that you do what I ask you to do here. So we go to our Binance. This place, this wallet. Then we come to this place, spots. Then we click on this place here, BNB, or you search for BNB here. So what are we going to do right now is to click on this deposit. You click on this BEP20, this place, you click on this place. Then you can copy the wallet address here. Then after copying it, we go back to our Dogly. This place and paste it. So this is how to do it. We click on, we cross-check it whether we made any mistake. So the Twitter, let me put it again. Always cross-check. So this is how it should look like. Then I click on claim here. So you can see here I'm waiting to get this 2000 Dogly. You can see it here. So guys, you can see I'm on the wait list here. I'm going to get 2000 Dogly here, and I'm going to do more video on this Dogly. Like I always tell you guys that before you always make sure you do your research anytime you want to invest in any platform. And guys, if you follow me from beginning of this video to this junction, you will know that this is a cloned website. They cloned Dogly.io, okay, and if this is not the same company, it simply means that they are just cloned this website. And the reason why I'm going to give them benefit of doubt is because this is still new and I'm still going to make a lot of money even if it's scam or not. You understand? So I'm still going to make a lot of money, and you are getting 5% daily commission. Once you come to this place I'm touching here, you click on it. So once you come to this place, you see how to stake, okay? Once you click on this place, it will take you to stake, and if you enter the amount you want to stake, you can see here I have like total zero, okay? You can see that I have 0 here because I haven't gotten my reward. If they release my reward here, I will stake it here, okay, by clicking here. If you want to invite more people, what you are going to do is to click on this account, okay? If you click on account, you will get your ref link, okay? Copy it and share it with your friends. And always know that I'm not a financial advisor. What I do here is once I see something that is working, I'll come here and show you, okay? This is me here telling you what I do. So make sure you join our Telegram channel where I'll be revealing more. If this website is not gonna work, I will still come here and tell you. But for now, you can go and claim your 2000 Dogly, okay? You can go and claim your 2000 Dogly, and I'm going to come back here again to show you more things you need to do or more things to know about this Dogly.live. So I'm going to show you more things. Smash that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you join us in our Telegram channel. And if you click on wallet here, you can buy, okay? You can send and you can sell, you can stake, okay? Anyone you want to do, always come to this wallet, you will see it. Like if I want to deposit, I'll click on this deposit. If I want to buy, I'm going to buy here by clicking on buy. You will see it here. This is live pre-sale. 1 USDT is equals to 1000 Dogly. You can come here. Once you copy this address, you can go and transfer any amount you wish to invest in this website. Okay, so the second one is to send. This one is sell. If you want to sell, you click on sell here. So here you can, the minimum you can sell here is 1,000. Okay, so once you click on sell amount, you enter your sell amount. And if I am to sell 10,000 here, if I'm to sell 10,000, so 10,000 here, I'm going to get $8 here. For 10,000, I'll get $8. So if I'm to sell 100,000, is equals to $83.33. So you can invest in this platform. Is still new and you are going to make your money. That's my take. And so they are still going to buy back your coin. Okay, they are still going to buy back here. So that's how this works. And I'm going to show you more. So this is stake. If you click on this stake, so you get 5% daily after staking. Okay, and this stake, I think, is 30 days. So guys, this is another opportunity to make money. I don't care whether it's fake or not, whether it's scam or not, but as far as I'm joining them newly, I'm going to make my money, withdraw my money, and go and chill with my money, because this is still new and they are not going to crash soon. So if you are my type that can take risk, you join us. If you don't want, you can also manage the one you are doing before. Okay, so always come to our Telegram channel where we teach you the legit way of making money. Always come to our Telegram. The link to register is in the description. Rush now and join us. So see you at the top. Bye bye.